Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are taking political science and the topic is Second World War. This is from the first chapter. Second World War. After the League of Nations was established to prevent war, but it is failed to avoid war. What happens? The Second World War was happened in between 1939 and 1945. It proved to be far destructive than the First World War. Not only was it more whispered compared to the First World War, but also more advanced technology was employed in this war. Countries which took part in the Second World War once again faced a situation of economic crisis. Means is compared to First World War, the Second World War was very dangerous and the losses of many economical and political and lives are very destroyed by the war. The countries involved in the Second World War, Allied powers or Axis power. Allied powers contains Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China and America. India is indirectly participate in the Second World War because it is under the Britain power. India is under the Britain power. Axis power. Germany, Japan and Italy. America played a very major role in the Second World War. It has manufactured nuclear weapons. In order to end the war, it drops two nuclear weapons on two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, on the 6th and 9th August 1945 respectively. The Second World War ended with the defeat of Germany in Europe and of Japan in Asia. Among the many events that took place in the world after the Second World War was the beginning of the Cold War. In 1945 to 1991 is the long period of the Cold War. Let us take stock of a few changes in this period. Cold War. Cold War means not directly war, it is the conditions. It is a condition that where there is no actual war, but there are such tension in the circumstances, but they may be responsible to cause war. That is called Cold War and is very dangerous. Many countries and nations are destroyed because of the Cold War, because the world is divided into two bipolarization of the world. Means the world divided into two parts, one from the American side and second was the German sides. So in the next lesson we will study or learn the Cold War and its effects on the world. So till read the lesson carefully and understand the lesson. It is very easy lesson. So goodbye, guys.